my presentation is all about problem and solution, presented by Faith and O. Buayaban. Formula: I equals P times R times T. I equals interest, P equals principal, R equals rate of per annual, T equals number of years, F equals future amount, N equals total number, M equals median. Problem number 1. Fritz took out a loan for 195,000 pesos to purchase a car at a 4.3% interest rate compounded annually. How much will be the loan be in 5 years? Solution: given I equals unknown, P equals 195,000, R equals 4.3%, T equals 5 years, and the formula is I equals P times R times T. I equals 195,000 times 0.043 times 5. I equals 8,385 times 5. I equals 41,925. I equals 195,000 plus 41,925. And the answer is 236,925. Problem number 2. Harry borrows 1,200 from a bank with 8% simple interest per year. How much will have to pay back total in 2 years? Solution: I equals missing, P equals 1,200, R equals 8%, T equals 2 years, and the formula is I equals P times R times T. I equals 1,200 times 0.08 times 2. I equals 9,600 times 2. I equals 192. I equals 1,200 plus 192, and the answer is 1,392. Problem number 3. Diane wants to open a showroom and borrows 4,800 on 12% interest rate. She plans to pay this after 4 years. What will be the principal plus interest she earned in 10 years? Solution: given I equals missing, P equals 4,800, R equals 12%, T equals 4 years, I equals P times R times T. I equals 4,800 times 0.12 times 4. I equals 57,600 times 4. I equals 2,304. I equals 4,800 plus 2,304. And the answer is 7,104. Problem number 4. Alex won 3,000 from a video editing contest. If he puts his money in a bank account that earns 2.9 interest compounded annually, how much total interest he earns in 10 years? Solution: given F equals missing, P equals 3,000, R equals 2.9%, T equals 10 years, F equals P times 1 plus R times T is the formula. F equals 3,000 times 1 plus 0.029 times 10. F equals 3,000 times 1.029 times 10. F equals 3,000 times 1.330925. F equals 3,992.78. I equals F minus P. I equals 3,992.78 minus 3,000. And the answer is 992.78. Problem number 5. Find the principal for a loan that has an earned interest of 3,500 with an annual rate of 10% for 5 years. Solution: given I is missing, P is 3,500, R equals 10%, T equals 5 years, And the formula is I equals P times R times T. I equals 3,500 times 0.01 times 5. I equals 3,500 times 5. I equals 17,500. I equals 3,500 plus 17,500. And the answer is 52,500. Problem number 6. Mark borrows 79,000 for 2 years and earn 10,017 of simple interest. Calculate the interest rate. Solution. Given. I equals 10,017. P equals 79,000. R is missing. T is 2 years. I equals P times R times T is the formula. 10,017 equals 79,000 times R times 2. 10,017 equals 158,000 R. 10,017 divided by 158,000 R equals 0.064 times 100. And the answer is 6.4%. And the last question is 7. If the interest earned was 55.20 on an investment of 250 that has a rate of 3%, how long was the money invested? Solution. Given. I is missing. P is 230. R equals 55.20. T is missing. I equals 230 plus 1 equals 55.20 or 3%. I equals 6.9. I equals 230 times 3 equals 6.9. 6.9 equals 230 times 3%. T equals 55.20. 6.90 equals 55.20. 6.9, 6.9 are the same, so it crush it out. So 6.90 divided by 55.20, the answer is 8. So the final is 8 years. And that's all. Thank you.